Welcome to the TroubleShooting Quickie1 solution. So you saw me do this, so we got the forbidden thing. So we were having the forbidden, right? Then I did a quick, and then I did a quick command. That didn't show. Come on, I cannot type, holy crap. Then it works, and then it does not work again. With the forbidden, you don't have permission to access this resource. So what I did to make it work and not work again was fooling around with the SL Linux enforcing modes. This is a very common problem. You need to be able to quickly troubleshoot. I'm not going to show you how to make it work, but I will show you the effects of this command. If you're watching this in a short form, come join me on the long form so you can see better the fonts. So what I did was set enforce permissive. Then this will make sure that the SL Linux mode is in permissive mode. Permissive mode, it's kind of not disabled, not enabled, but you have the logs, but it's not actually preventing stuff from happening, but you still have the logs. Then I do again the enforcing, and it does not work, which creates the forbidden. Okay, so this is a quick way for you to troubleshoot to see if it's SL Linux causing the issue you are experiencing. And in this case, I have proven that it is. I'm not going to show you in this video how to work this out. That's for a different video. This is a troubleshooting quickie. I'm going to show this either on a new troubleshooting quickie or on a full-fledged video. However, I explain how to sort this out in my RH134 training course, also on this channel. If you want to pick that, you are welcome to do so and check all the training contents. So, in a nutshell, with the set enforce command, I swapped between enforcing and permissive showed me that the enforcing mode of SL Linux is causing this particular error. Then I had to work out a possible solution. Like, subscribe, type, and comment. Ask any questions in the comments below of anything you might want to know about this video. I'm really happy to help. I'm here for that. Like, subscribe, and hype, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.